Hey guys, my name is Mary Angela and I'm an artist for Blushington, New York City. Today, we're gonna talk all things mature skin. So grab your coffee and let's chat. So, what is mature skin? Your cell turnover rate is starting to slow down. We start to see a decrease in elasticity and flexibility, believe it or not, at the ripe age of 25, your skin is actually considered mature. I know. To put that into perspective, anyone below the age of 18 has a cell turnover rate of about 2 to 3 weeks. And anyone above the age of 40 has a cell turnover rate of about 6 to 10 weeks. One thing I hear a lot of concern about is texture. Most often, makeup adds texture to the skin. And guess what? Makeup moves. Your skin is warm, it melts the products, and it actually moves them around on your face. More product will always equal more texture. You always want to make sure that you're number one, working on properly prepped skin, and number two, working in thin layers and making sure that you're spot concealing. Now, I know that's not what you want to hear, but it's the truth. The sooner we accept this, the easier it will be to enjoy our makeup experience. Shimmer. 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 Shimmer? I hear it all the time. Older women should not wear shimmer on the eyes or on the face or wherever. If you have a shimmery shade that you are not wearing because Marie Claire told you not to, wherever you keep your makeup, you take that shimmery eyeshadow and you put it on to go make dinner because you're supposed to be staying home. Who cares? If it makes you happy, wear it. There are plenty of in-betweens with a little bit of a gleam, but not so much of a twinkle or a glitter. So what are some things that you should look out for, avoid, and understand about mature skin? First, I should say that this is a generalization based on my experience in my 8 years of makeup artistry and skincare. Everyone is different. What I'm saying here might not apply to you, and if you need further customized information, consult your esthetician. The most important thing to remember, makeup will look best on skin that is rid of excess texture. What that means is you have to exfoliate. And something that you probably aren't doing enough of is exfoliating. You should have some form of mild exfoliation pretty much every day, in addition to a deeper treatment twice to even 4 or 5 times a week. Beauty RX by Dr. Schultz has an amazing glycolic serum that's really easy to add to your routine. All this talk about exfoliation brings me to my next point, and probably the most important thing I'll talk about on this video, the thing that will age you faster than anything in the world, the thing responsible for 4 out of 5 types of wrinkles we may get, the sun. You need to be wearing sunscreen every single day, even inside. You actually are supposed to be reapplying your sunscreen. Supergoop has a ton of different sunscreen formulations. They've even got you covered on products to reapply your sunscreen, like a spray, and even a pre-filled powder. Easy to just pop in your purse and go. When you can, opt for cream products. Those products tend to melt into the skin and make your skin's finish look its most natural. If you must use a powder, choose powders that have a very finely milled texture. RMS makes a really great loose powder, and it's super weightless. Over the course of my years as an artist, I've come across some things that generally I like to avoid when it comes to mature skin. Smoothing primers. The product is actually too thick to go all over your face. It'll actually make your makeup fall off, but I like to call them strategic primers. They're best if used in specific areas where you need the most help. This primer from Herborian is a great alternative and has those smoothing properties that we all love. Alright guys, thank you so much for chatting with me about mature skin. Everything we talked about today can be found on Blushington's website. Thanks for watching and stay safe.